When it comes to YouTube, people are actually searching for some specific topics that they want to learn or they want you to create content on. Like your TikTok, we have what we call the Creator Search Insights. Now, these Creator Search Insights enable you to see topics that people are searching for on TikTok. So there is tendency that if you create content using one of those topics, you will go viral. You will have engagement on that very video because you've used a topic that people are searching for. The same thing with Facebook, IG. Now, even on YouTube, there are topics people are searching for. So now the question is, how do you find topics that people are searching for on YouTube so that you can create content using this very topic? Research shows that when you create a content using a specific topic that users or visitors are searching for, the algorithm is going to push your content to people for views and massive engagement. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how you can actually locate this topic that people are searching for on YouTube, create content on them, and have it posted on your YouTube channel. That video will gain massive engagement. If this is the first time you are coming across my video, do not miss my video by any chance. Smash the subscribe button so that you don't miss my videos and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be the first person to see my videos whenever I release them. Like this video, and at the end of this video, please go to the comment section and drop your question or ask your question. Let's dive into the topic. Now, when it comes to YouTube channel, there are topics people are actually searching for, and they expect you to create content on this very topic. Now, it could be how to, it could be people and blog and so on and so forth. As a content creator planning to gain massive engagement or massive views or on his or her content, it is expedient that you create content using these searchable topics that is suggested by YouTube. Now, these topics are suggested by YouTube for you. So there is no need for you to just create anyhow content anymore. No, it is about time you start using the suggested topic that YouTube suggests for you to create this topic. Now, let me go straight to the point and teach you how you can actually search for this topic on YouTube and create content using this very topic. The first thing you want to do, come to your YouTube channel and click on your account. Now, after clicking on your account, click on YouTube Studio. When you click on YouTube Studio, it's going to take you to the YouTube Studio environment and click on the analytics. Is that okay? So click on the analytics. Now, when you click on the analytics, it's going to take you to, the analytics page, and you're going to see different menu. Go and click on where you see trends. Now, if you click on trends, you are going to see get ideas for your next videos. Get some ideas for your next video. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see what people are looking for. Did you see that? So you should create content on what people are looking for. Whenever you are creating content, I want you to know that it is about the people and not all about you. So now, if you come down, you will see other creators that are creating content on these topics. So click on show all. If you click on show all, you are going to see different topics: content creation for beginners, content creation for social media marketing, content editing tutorial for beginners, etc. So take, for instance, you want to create content on content creation for beginners. You can as well click on that very topic. If you don't have an idea on what to say, on what to do, click on that idea, and you can even allow AI to generate some idea for you. So say I want to create content on this content creation for beginner. I will click on this brainstorm ideas. So I will allow YouTube to brainstorm ideas for me. Give me some ideas I can use to create this very content. Now, I have idea like content creation tools for beginners in 2025. All I need to do is click on this very first one. Now, I am going to see the outlines, the guideline and everything I need for this very topic. It will generate you some good titles you can use, like this content creation tools every beginner needs in 2025. I think this is very perfect. So all you need to do is just go to your camera and shoot your content. If you scroll down, you'll see it will even generate some thumbnails, good thumbnails you can even use. Isn't this very beautiful? Is that okay? So now the next thing is for you to just check the outline. You can click on show more and see how the outline is and create your content. Immediately you create your content, make sure the topic of your content is content creation tools for beginners in 2025. I think I should shoot a video on this. Once you do this, upload your videos, add your necessary hashtag, and that is it, voila. So YouTube has even made things easy for us in 2025. There's no need for you brainstorming your head. Allow YouTube to do everything for you. I hope you found value in this video. If you do, please smash the subscribe button so that you don't miss out from my next video. Turn on the bell notification so that you'll be the first person to see my videos whenever I release them. Like this video. Now share this video to more than 10 persons so that they will get to see this very video. I'll see you in my next video.